It was a late night for the two campaigns for state Supreme Court. The statewide race numbers are close enough for a recount. NBC 26's Jennifer Naza is live in studio with more.
Despite the race being too close to call and possibly headed for a recount, Judge Brian Hagedorn declared victory overnight. He says, quote, "The people of Wisconsin have spoken and our margin of victory is insurmountable. I am deeply humbled and honored by the voters who have placed their trust in me to serve as Wisconsin's next Supreme Court justice." Hagedorn holds nearly 6,000 more votes than his opponent, Lisa Neubauer, according to AP. Conservatives have had control over the Wisconsin Supreme Court since 2008, and the conservative victory would increase their majority to 5-2 and ensure their control over the Supreme Court for years to come. But this would come as a shock to liberals who were confident and on a hot streak. Liberals needed to win the Wisconsin Supreme Court race to have a shot at taking majority control of the court next year. The race is technically nonpartisan, but an official state GOP says Hagedorn's grassroots campaign made it competitive.
People didn't think this was going to be a close race at all, and we proved them wrong. This is a coin toss race. We felt in the last few days that it would be, and we think we've still got a great chance at digging this out.
However, the race isn't over. Under Wisconsin law, a losing candidate can only ask for a recount if they are within 1 percentage point or less of the winning candidate. According to AP, the race is 50-50. State Representative Greta Neubauer took the stage at her mother's campaign event last night in Racine.
This race is too close to call for tonight. It is going to take all night and maybe longer for us to get a final result on this race, but we are absolutely committed to making sure that every single vote is counted. We need to make sure that the voice of every single Wisconsinite is heard.
Campaign leaders with Judge Lisa Neubauer sent this statement out before 100% of the votes were counted, stating, quote, "This race is too close to call. We are almost assuredly headed to a recount. We are going to make sure every vote is counted. Wisconsinites deserve to know we have had a fair election and that every vote is counted." We'll update you as we learn more about a potential recount. Reporting live in studio, Jennifer Naza, NBC 26.